Consider the scenario where I want to change the minimum length validation to be 3 characters instead of 4 characters. So I change the minLength attribute value as 3 and saving the file. After the page reload, I am going to verify if the validation is working correctly. If I type a character, we can see the message displayed up to 2 characters. If we look into the message, it is misleading. It says minimum 4 characters are required, but actually minimum 3 characters are required. In the code, I changed the minLength attribute value, but I forgot to change it in the message. This can be avoided when we use the requiredLength property available in the minLength object. I am removing 4 in the message and replacing it with interpolation having namefield.errors .minlength.requiredLength. The inclusion of this interpolation ensures that whatever provided in the minLength attribute gets displayed here, hence the display of the message is dynamically taken care of with the respective minimum length. I am saving the file. After the page reload, if I type a character, we can see the message displaying minimum of 3 characters. If I change the minLength to 5, saving the file, after the page reload, I am typing a character. We can see the message dynamically displaying the minimum character length. Hope this video helps you understand how requiredLength property in minLength object can be utilized. Let me summarize the changes to be done. Make the minLength validation message to be in a separate line. Then change character 4 with this interpolation and check if it works as demonstrated.